Hello, I'm Paul Campbell, one of your instructors in the Culinary Apprentice program. Cooking is more than just cooking. We've been training cooking apprentices for over 50 years. NAIT stays on top of food industry trends and techniques. You'll expand your cooking repertoire and learn to prepare all kinds of soups, salads, vegetables, sauces, and desserts. You'll learn how to prepare wholesome, nutritious food safely and economically. Hone up on your knife skills. Learn to classify meat, fish, and poultry and gain an understanding of sanitation standards and regulations. From menu preparation and cost calculations to selecting ingredients, preparing, cooking, and presentation, our apprentices find work all across the world. It takes 3 years to become a journey person cook, with at least 1,500 hours of on-the-job training and 8 weeks of technical training at NAIT each year. And yes, you can eat your assignments after, of course, they've been marked. NAIT's Culinary Arts program is committed to your success, and we look forward to seeing you soon.